Adobe TradingView free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, open up TradingView or go to tradingview.com, and once opened up and loaded, you want to go to the top middle hand part of the screen and click search, and here you can type in the following ticker symbol, Adobe, and make sure that it's on all, or if you want, since Adobe is a stock, you want to scroll over until you see stocks, which is the second option. Click the first option, NASDAQ, and click launch chart or see the overview. This is the overview of Adobe. As you can see, we have the financials. You can even see some important news updates of Adobe. You can go to the top right hand screen and click see on super charts. Now you have successfully accessed Adobe on tradingview.com. This is what the Adobe stock looks like. Quick bonus tip or trick: if you go to the top left hand screen, click next to the plus icon, you can change the different time frame or the interval. You can go to the 1 hour chart, and there are more candle bars or candlesticks. You can click back, and you can even view as far as back the 1 month chart. And if you click here and you scroll down, notice the candle bars or the charts gets larger, and if you scroll in your mouse forward, the chart gets bigger completely for free.